What's up guys, Earl here for Tech, and Huawei is about to launch their flagship devices in September 19 in Munich, Germany, namely the Huawei Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro. But someone got excited and uploaded an early unboxing and hands-on video of the Mate 30 Pro. The video was uploaded in TikTok but now has been posted on YouTube by Master PC Plus. Looking at the box, it bears the model name and written down below a super sensing cine camera, along with the Leica badge, which hints the Mate 30 Pro's camera capability. Inside the box is the handset. Looking at the back, it shows the glass back panel as well as a quad rear camera setup, which is arranged in a circular module. Up front is a large display that curves towards the edges. It has a slim bottom bezel, but up top we still have the thick notch which houses 3 cameras. As for operating system, the Mate 30 Pro runs on the new EMUI 10, but the version we're seeing here is for Chinese markets, so there's a lot of Chinese apps and no Google Play Store. We previously reported that the Mate 30 series may launch without Google services due to the trade embargo imposed by the US government. We'll confirm that once the unit has officially launched. The Tech team is in Munich, Germany to cover the unveiling of the Mate 30 series, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Arel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.